Are you having trouble with ChatGPT? Something went wrong while generating the image? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. So you might be in the position where you are trying to generate some of the image on ChatGPT, but it says that something went wrong. So in this case, the very first thing you want to try doing is head over to the application ChatGPT and then try refreshing the app. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is once again reopen the ChatGPT app. Click on this icon at the top left corner of the screen and then click on your profile at the bottom. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Logout. Once logged out, wait for a while and then sign back in. That should fix the issue. If not, head over to App Store. In the search bar, search for ChatGPT. Click on the app and then, if it has not been updated, click on Update and update the app. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.